I got invited to attend a conference in China by the Lagos Chambers of Commerce and Industry. And it was to attend something called the Canton Fair. And in that fair, the fair went for like a month, even though I was there for like 2 weeks. And there I saw the Chinese inventions and all they had done. It marveled me that, these guys could do so much. And as a mechanical engineer, I began to think. I've been in the oil and gas business, doing services, but I realized that I could do more. You know, as a mechanical engineer, I felt, why not delve into production? You know, and looking around, all that I could see, a lot of these machines fascinated me, but I went straight for this because I imagined the use of PVC. What took my mind first was the building industry, that I could have a lot of this. Yeah, and I remember when we built the office, how much we spent procuring this, and I imagined several homes that would be built.
With population expansion.
Yeah, and with the Nigerian population expansion and all that, I said I was going to delve into this. What you're seeing now is a 25 millimeters pipe, PVC pipe. That's what we're doing. And like you see, this is a test run. But obviously, we're going to be doing the water pipe for 20 to 50 millimeters. This machine can do up to 50 millimeters. Okay, and then for the electric pipes, it can do up to 32 millimeters. That is 20, 25, and 32 millimeter pipes. But I know what's common in our market are the 20 and the 25 millimeters. Yeah, so what we're trying to do is give the best at what we do. You know, we're looking at quality. And I must say that one choice or one thing that actually made me go for their machine was the quality of the product. I looked at what they had produced. I had visited their factories. I looked at the equipment work. I compared the quality of product to what we have back home in Nigeria. And I knew that I could compete with any of the guys. We have a quality machine that tells us, you know, what quantity, you know, and that's what keeps the quality going. Yeah. So the quality can be consistent. I know the recipe. It's like a recipe now. You know, I know the recipe and that's it. Local content. I like calling it indigenous content. I don't know why. Nigerians need to move forward. The Chinese have moved further. They had a time in their life where nothing worked. And they had a president who shut the borders and say, it's either we die or we move forward. So then you go to China, they have moved far ahead. They are first world. I call them first world. You know, and the truth about it is that this will help Nigerians. Nigerians have not seen most of these machines. I was talking about engineering school. In engineering school, we learn about all of this. All the process, in theory. But you see, you hardly would go anywhere to see a machine work. The principles are the same. So you find that with this, a lot of people, I'm going to give room to a lot of young boys coming out of the universities, in the universities coming for IC, you know, and all that, from the polytechnics and all that, to come learn something. And it is my vision that these boys someday will produce their own. We have to start that way. So there's always going to be a technology transfer. We're not going to shut the borders because I tell you, we need to open this up for the young men to know where we're going. If today I can do this, I can imagine in 20 years' time, we'll be getting the same young men with better vision, making the same equipment here in Nigeria. We have invited the Standard Organization of Nigeria to come take a look at what we're doing. They came, they looked at it, pointed out some corrections, things they wanted done, quality markings, you know, and all that. But you see, we're gradually growing. And it's my concern that on the long run, we will get certifications from SON, ISO bodies, so that we can give a better reach for these materials. It's our desire that we will go beyond Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and the whole of West Africa, basically. So that's how much, like I said, it's just a pilot scheme, but we intend to take this around the country and even out of the country. In this business, nothing is waste. Nothing is wasted. Everything you see here will be crushed again, back into powder, and reused.
So it's environment friendly?
Yeah, it is. And then the final packaging here. We've not done the packaging. It's going to be different from what you see on the street. We believe that what will attract the people will be the packaging. So we intend to make it really good, really nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, my brother. Yeah, thanks.